Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how I do my everyday makeup. First I'll be using Distinct's Brow and Lash Blue Fish. I'm using an angled brush and I'm just drawing on my eyebrows a little bit bigger than they actually are. I wouldn't be too focused on getting it perfect. Then I'm going to use Kat Von D's Magenta color, and I'm going to be using the same angled brush and doing the same thing for this eyebrow. After I draw my eyebrows, I go in with a flat brush and concealer, and I just go around my eyebrows to make sure that everything's as straight and sharp as I want it to be. Usually when I'm drawing my eyebrows, it's not as straight as I want it to be, so this is just to clean it up. And then I use the concealer on my eyes just to get ready for my eyeshadow. For my eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay Neon palette in Gonzo and Savage. I start with Gonzo under my left eye, and I'm just using a blending brush to blend out the color. And I just go over it to make sure that it's pigmented well, and I do the same thing with Savage. After I finish that, I use the NYX Creme to create a cut crease on top of my eyes. I use a flat brush for this. Then I used NYX's Sprinkle Town in the sparkly blue, and I put that on top of the pink side of my eye. Then I used Kat Von D's Fetish palette in Rose Shock on top of my other eye. Then for my eyeliner, I use NYX's That's the Point. Because I like my eyes looking bigger, I usually make the eyeliner go under my eye as well. And I usually just make it so it's all connected and a really big wing. Once I finish my eyeliner, I use Kat Von D's Liquid Lash Liner. When I use this, I keep my eyes very wide open and I'm just poking the top of my eyes. I'm not using this for the bottom part because my bottom part's going to be white. For this, what's important is that you take your time, and every time you poke your eye, you let it dry. And then I use my foundation, and I just use a beauty blender from NYX to blend it all in. Once I finish blending in all of my foundation, I use the NYX Milk Liner on my eyes, but you can really use any sort of white eyeliner. And then I use the NYX Creme. I go back in with my eyeliner and I'm just adding more black around the new white parts just because I like it more. And then I use my Milk Makeup mascara and I just put that on my eyelashes. Once I finish that, I use my NYX contour on the sides of my face as well as under my chin. I sometimes do it on the sides of my nose too, I just didn't feel like it this time. And then I used my beauty blender to just blend it all in. I go back with Bathory, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but it's fine. And I put that on my cheeks and I put that on my nose. I usually put too much just because after I blend it pretty hard. I use Kat Von D's powder to blend it. Then I go back in with my eyeliner for the last time and I add in my bottom eyelashes. They're usually just tiny little triangles or lines. I then use the milk heart stamp under my eyes. I used Monave Makeup's Aphrodite on my face for the highlighter. This is also one of the most pigmented highlighters that I own, and I own a lot of them. This one's just crazy bright and super easy to apply. I use the House of Lashes Nior for my eyes. For my lipstick, I'm using Sugarpill's Lala, and I'm using NYX's Little Denim Dress. And once I put on my lipstick, I just put on my outfit and my wig and I take pictures. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll hopefully be having more videos up soon. Have a great day.